Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Sorium, and in today's video I am doing a super deep clean of the bathroom. This usually takes me about an hour and a half to 2 hours to get completely done, and I do everything. I clean the bathroom from top to bottom, and I do this really deep clean about once a month, and then I just do spot cleaning the rest of the month. So this is just like the super deep clean. So if you guys enjoy these kinds of videos, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos. I make lots of different videos. I do beauty videos and makeup videos and lifestyle and baby videos as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get right into it. So I'm starting with the bathtub, and I usually love to start with the bathtub. I don't like starting with anything else because I feel like I go back and forth and like touch other things, so I just start with the biggest thing in the bathroom, which is the bathtub. So I'm just grabbing all of my cleaning supplies out of the linen closet, and I'm rolling up here my flat iron and my heated brush, and just rolling all those up because I usually like just keep them out during the week to use them, but I'm just gonna roll them up and put them away. And then I'm gonna put in my Clorox toilet bowl cleaner. And I'm just going to let that sit. And I did open the window for this just because I'm using lots of chemically cleaning supplies, and I don't want it to like the fumes to hang around. So I like to open the window. I'm getting rid of the little bath mats and the trash can. So I'm just getting everything out of the bathroom. Then I have this little tiny like hand vacuum, and I'm just going through and vacuuming the floor with that. I'm just picking up all the hairs, which basically is just the hairs. I tend to shed a lot, and ever since I had the baby, I have like my hair has been shedding a ton. So there's lots of hair on the floor of the bathroom, so I like to just vacuum it up. It's easier for me instead of using the broom. So I just use this nifty little vacuum. I vacuum the floor, and then I'm gonna go in and vacuum the mats, and I will do that in a minute here, and then we will move on to the next thing. So once I have the floor all hair free, I am going to go in and actually start on the bathtub. So I'm just using the Clorox with like the purple label. I think it's just like not supposed to smell super Cloroxy. And I'm just going to dump a little bit of this all over the bathtub and on those little the little areas where you can put like products in. We do have a fiberglass bathtub, which I hate, and I can't wait to get rid of it, but in the meantime we have it, so you know, just have to deal with it. And then I did put a little bit of Ajax in there as well. I only had a little bit left in that can, so it wasn't even like, it really didn't do much. And then I have this little spray of just like bathroom cleaner. I'm not sure what the name is. I think I got that at the dollar store, but it's like a daily tub cleaner. So I sprayed that on the walls of the bathtub, and then I'm using a blue and white brush that I think I also got at the dollar store, and I'm just gonna start scrubbing the bottom of the tub and like the walls of the bottom of the tub until it's all nice and clean. So I always like to start where the drain is and kind of move my way back. So I make sure to get like every little square inch of the tub because I love it when it's like freshly clean. And then I have this cup that I keep for cleaning, and I fill it up with water so that I could occasionally like just like throw some water on it to get it all sudsy. And yeah, so this is my favorite way to clean the tub. It really makes sure that it is spotless and super clean, and I like using Clorox because it disinfects and it smells really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and just scrub the whole tub, and then with that same brush I'm just gonna rinse it off, and I'm gonna wash the walls of the tub as well. So I'm just gonna go up, start with the wall where the like knob is, and then work my way to the back of the tub. So once I have scrubbed everything down with the cleaner, I'm going to use that cup and fill up the cup and just rinse off all of the cleaning like solutions off of the walls and off of the bottom of the tub. And that is how I like to deep clean the tub. It is a lot of work. It actually sucks on your back and on your knees, but it gets it really clean and it looks spotless after that. So that is how I like to clean the tub. So now I'm moving on to cleaning the toilet. So I add a little tiny bit more of the toilet cleaner. I get everything off of the toilet, and then I just use my little toilet brush that I also got at the dollar store, and I'm gonna just scrub all of the inside of the toilet and like the rim of the toilet, get it all nice and clean. And then I'm gonna rinse the wand or the brush in the bathtub, and then I'll leave it in there to dry a little bit. And I'm just gonna use this Mrs. Meyer's like all-purpose solution. I'm just going to spray the whole toilet, and I like to clean the outside of it with this, and I use paper towels because then I can just throw it away. I like to keep everything really sanitary, so I know this is wasteful, but this is what I like to do because I don't like to use like microfiber cloths that are just going to spread germs everywhere. So I just use paper towels, make sure everything is nice and clean. And then once I'm done cleaning like the whole top of the toilet and like the back part of it, then I'm gonna go and clean the edge again of the toilet and all the way like around the bottom of the toilet. So basically I clean the whole entire toilet. That was a lot of talking to just say that I clean the whole entire toilet, but that's what I do with that. And I usually use Clorox wipes, but today I had the Mrs. Meyer's solution upstairs, so I just decided to clean with that, and it worked perfectly fine. So you could clean the toilet with whatever you like. So once I'm done with the toilet, then my last thing to clean is the sink. So I'm just going to start putting things back where they belong because there's really no space in this bathroom for all the stuff. So I'm just going to put all the stuff back on the tub, and all the cleaning products I'm just going to pop on the floor, and I'm just going to clear off the sink so I could start cleaning that up. And here I'm just grabbing another body wash for Derek, and I'm putting that in the tub for him because the one that he had in there was like basically empty. So I'm just gonna grab a Clorox wipe and just wipe off the windowsill where I had all the like bathroom stuff on, like the tub stuff. And I'm just gonna wipe down the whole window, make sure it's nice and clean. And then I'm gonna put the baby's bath stuff on the ledge of the tub, get everything nice and organized, and then I'm going to start working on the sink. So since the sink gets touched like 700 times a day, I like to clean this with the Clorox wipes because I just feel like it gets more clean and like kills the germs. So I like to go in and start on the top edges of the sink, and then once I have that all cleaned up, then I go in and clean the actual bowl. And I just like to make sure that it's like really clean, all the little crevices behind the what's it called, the faucet. I like to clean behind that because when my husband shaves his face, his little hairs get like stuck back there. So I like to make sure that I stick the little wipe behind the faucet. And then since we don't have like cabinets underneath our sink, since we have a pedestal sink, I don't have to worry about like organizing or doing anything of that nature because obviously we don't have it. But so then I have all of my products that I use on a daily basis on the shelves above the toilet. So I will be showing you how I kind of declutter those as well a little bit later down in the video. So for the shelves on top of the toilet here, I'm just gonna grab everything and get like basically just clear off the shelf so I can clean it. And I have basically like a lot of things on the shelf. I have our toothbrushes, my contact solution, face products, hair products, like hair ties, like literally a million things on the shelf. So I'm just gonna grab a Clorox wipe and just wipe it down. I spill my contact solution stuff, and it gets like really crusty and hard, so like I have to scrub that off. And then I'm just gonna grab a different wipe, like a new wipe, and just like clean all the products that are going back on the shelf. I just like to do this every time I clean something. I just feel gross putting things back without like wiping them down. So I'm gonna wipe all those things down, and then I'm gonna go in and organize them until it looks bright and until it looks like good and in a way that is easy for me to use. So I'm gonna go through all that, and then I will come back when we go to the next thing. So one of the last things I like to do is the floor. I like to just clean it with a Clorox wipe. It's the easiest way for me to clean it. I have a Swiffer that I like to use downstairs in the kitchen and like the main living area, but in the bathroom, since it's so small, I just go in with my Clorox wipe, and I use like 3 or 4, like it's not that serious, but I like to just scrub the floor, make sure it's nice and clean. And I like the Clorox wipes because they disinfect. So I like to just go in and start at the back of the bathroom. Jeez, I can't even talk. So I like to start in the back of the bathroom and then work my way to the door. And then once I'm done with that, we are pretty much close to being done. I always forget to clean the mirror, so I'm just going to pop in and do that real quick after I finish the floor. But I usually like to do this before I clean the floor so that the floor could dry without any like footprints. But I'm just going in with a little bit of Windex and a paper towel, and I'm just going to clean the mirror up. And that is it for this bathroom deep cleaning. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it's helpful, gave you some motivation, and yeah, if you did like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I make lots of videos, beauty videos, lifestyle videos, baby videos, home videos, all kinds of videos. So if you liked the video, again, leave it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what is your favorite thing to clean in your home. So that is it for this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!